back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore.
Okay, y'all, I don't know what part of the vlog or which vlog I'm adding this into, but this is like the 5th time this week that Google Maps has gotten me lost. But it's okay, because I'm looking at something kind of pretty. Now, my camera will never ever do these views justice. I might have to invest in the iPhone, but yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm on top of a car park. Lost after following Google Maps, so I'm trying to work out what the hell is going on with my life. I don't know where the hell it's led me to. It's confused, I'm confused, but I'm like, it's not a bad day though, you know? Guys, I don't think I've ever in my entire life seen a beach prettier than this one. Like ever, oh my gosh.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all come.